Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Chip. This is my Ipsy unboxing for April. It is a little late in the month, but I just haven't had time to film, I'll be honest. So we're going to go through, I'm sure you've seen already other videos of the Ipsy boxes and stuff. I do get the original and then I get the next step up, so I have two. And just to go through them and stuff and see, because sometimes it's the same, sometimes it's different. It just depends how you answer their surveys and stuff, so it can go either way. If you can see, I do have a little companion back here, Yuki, and she's just waiting for me to go do something else other than film. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the Ipsy basic bag. I haven't opened it yet, so it's a surprise just for me as well as you. And I know like everybody's getting like the bag and stuff. So I do like it. I do like the little bamboo thing. I do like, this is a nice little lavender lilac. So something fun, spring. The theme is like bloom or something. Is it full bloom? That's what the theme is. So we are going to see what we have to put in my sample bag to use up. So I'm working on a loose setting powder right now that's a trial size, so this is funny. So the first one we got is the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder in 213. I'm hoping that means it's light because I have pasty skin. So it is that way. It's actually pretty nice. It's not a decent size for loose powder, even for the sample size, because usually they're it's 0.63 ounces. Interesting for the ounces and stuff, but usually it's like 0.5 or less for the ounces, so that's not too bad. Let's see. The full size version of it is $11.99, so that's not too bad. It is made in China, which is a shame. I'm trying to use up a lot of my products that are made in China and stuff right now, just because I don't feel like I'm questioning supporting them right now with some of the stuff that they've done and that they're doing. The next one I have is the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. Now this one I am excited about because this has got some sparkle to it. I don't know how well you can tell, but it is very sparkly, so I'm excited. And this one, the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer, Nude Primer. This one helps keep your makeup looking fresh without fading and getting splotchy. So full size, it's $46. I don't know where it's made in. It doesn't say, so I'll have to research that. But this one I mean, it's got some sparkle and glow, so I am excited about that. I'll be honest. Ooh la la. Then there is the Glossier Rich Cream Mousse. Is this day cream? Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich. Yes, it is a day cream. Try a DIY tinted moisturizer. So this is a tip for this. Mix foundation with a pea-sized amount of this moisturizer. I might try it with my custom drops from number 7. So full size, this is $35. This is made in the US. Yay, Glossier! We'll see about the scent. We'll see when it goes on my face, but ooh, la la la. Then the next one is Neogen Dermology Real Vitamin C Serum. We are going to vitamin C up out of this bag. Let's just say that. After toner, apply a few drops of the serum all over and follow up with moisturizer. Which is the vitamin C. This is totally like, if you know me, vitamin C is my jam. So this is Neogen Lab. It runs for $38. Warm weather, cold, protect your skin. Da-da. This is, oh heavens. Oh, made in Korea. So it's K Beauty. K Skincare. Yay! That one's got my attention too. Then we have Space Case. Space Case, I saw this earlier. Vacation bronzer, which right now we're on vacations. So I'm liking the little starter base bag. I am. So let's open up. But if you know me, I'm all about the skincare, so anytime we get skincare, and I'm really big on vitamin C and stuff. Space Case is for some people, they like it. Vacation on Mars is what I have. It's got a little orange to it. We'll have to see how it does up. I like this. I like my basic bag. This. Especially if that Glossier, if I like that. Ooh la la. Was that the one? No. Next gen? Which one? Neogen, that Dermology. Real Vita C Serum. We'll see how it holds up against, especially like my Vichy and my La Roche. We'll see how that holds up. And then that Kismet. Oh yeah, that Pure Vitamin C Primer. You can tell my thoughts, my things. Okay. Now we're doing the Glam Bag Plus. It shrunk. I feel like it shrunk. I could be wrong. Now I don't do the premium one, but I do the bottom two. Okay. Let's see if this rocks my world. We will see. Okay, the first one is Sela Primrose Lotion. Treat your body. So this is a body lotion. Okay. The scents though, I might like that. Is delicious notes of sweet jasmine, peach, rosewater, enriched with Canadian botanicals. So I'm hoping this is made in Canada, Ontario. Yes, made in Canada. Because so help me, if it says Canadian botanicals and it's not made in Canada, I would be very upset. So, okay, it's got some stuff that I like. The next one, Girl Lactic Jello Gloss Balm. Does it say? Or is that the name? Jello Gloss Balm. Which right now does have a jelly look. Right now, which I gotta get my balms out and wear because I do still have to work. And I have to wear my face mask. So because I'm wearing my face mask and stuff, I'm really not doing lipstick. But I do want to keep lip balm and stuff on. Oh. So that one, oh, it doesn't have prices. Oh yeah, it does. $18. This one has a price of $18. Where were you made? Made in Thailand. I'll take it. Okay. Then we have the Ciate Triple Shot XXL Mascara. Does it have a picture of what the wand looks like? Probably not. Black XXL. We like the XXL, obviously. So for that one, oh, there it is. It runs for $22. It says you'll need more than just water to take it off. Ciate is, some things I love a Ciate. Some things I like. I have my Jessica Rabbit compact mirror. I love it. I love the highlighter bronzer. I love that. Eyeshadow made in Italy. Eyeshadow palette, it doesn't have as much bite and stuff as I thought it would. You really have to work with it and you have to keep it very simple. So, more mascara. Which I have some I'm working on right now that I'm trying to get rid of. So now we have the Tartiste, which they love the word Tartiste, I swear. Double take eyeliner in black. This runs for $24. So it's a double-sided one. So I assume it's got the fine line on one and the fat and chunky boy I don't think, please don't tell me it's a stamp. I don't think so. Okay. So it has, so it has the, like, gel liner on one side, and then it has the felt tip on the other. Now that would be cool. That actually for me is cool because I do both. I do a liquid liner on top, and then I do a gel liner on the bottom. This, okay, Tarte may have redeemed themselves. Let's just say that. They may have. I'm not sure yet. Now this one, I don't know. Shayna B. Miami. I've heard a little bit about her, not a lot. And I know this is the palette I think everybody got. So this is Shayna B. Miami. It's her Miami palette. So very typical Miami. The black, the pink, and inside I'm pretty sure the flamingos. This is a neutral palette, so I feel like it has a lot of potential. It's got the 4 shimmers, it's got the 4 mattes. So it'll be a good one just to have in, like, as a neutral. So if you're traveling and stuff and you have a neutral and you want to add that pop of color, you can grab something else, put in a single, and do a pop of color. It is kind of surprising to me that the box and everything is very hot and steamy, and so I kind of thought that the colors would represent this more theme, you know, give me like some rose. I thought this would be more of a rose palette or a hot pink or a neon, because Miami, the 80s Miami, I mean the hot colors, I mean even cars back then in Miami, they were like neon, neon, neon. So when I see Miami, I didn't think the neutrals. I thought it would bring more spicy, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So but it looks like a beautiful neutral palette to play with and just have some fun with. I don't understand where she says create endless looks with 8 Miami inspired shades. Miami is not a brown area. I mean, the beaches and stuff, the water, all that. It's having family that lives in Florida and stuff, being in the Miami area. I mean, to me, this is more, don't take a lot of Gulf Coast water. Maybe that, I don't know, but it's to me, it's not Miami. So that's a bummer. The plus is okay. The Tarte thing, I'm really excited about, but it comes down to the bare bones. I'm more excited about the little guys, the samples, which are really going to show me if I want to get the larger sizes. And I'm not shy about buying the larger sizes if I like them. I love the skincare and stuff that was in the original or the basic Ipsy. The plus, a lot of color, a lot of makeup, lotion. I mean, it's got the scent in it that I like, but this tube is $39. I hope it rocks my world. If it doesn't, $39 for this. I have a bad feeling it's sealed. I have a bad feeling it's gonna get bumped. But oh, I don't even think I showed you the bag. I think it's mint. So I was in pain. This is, yeah. So the bag's mint. So, and it's got that full zip. So it's got a full space zip and stuff. There's the little, they're really liking the little wooden rings and stuff like that. Like I said, it's a cute palette. It's a neutral. It contradicts itself. The Miami palette does, which I'm so bummed that it does. It contradicts itself. To me, it does. Maybe to someone else it doesn't. But I could be totally wrong. Everything fits in there but the Miami palette. But I do like the green. So it is, like I said, it's a minty green with that tan accents, which I do like this combination with that just touch of that, just that little bit of white. I love these bags. They just remind me of the end of spring when the flowers, they're starting to bloom, but they're also like, they kind of helicopter off the trees, so the blossoms on the trees and stuff, they start shedding and stuff. So that's kind of what it does remind me of. But I'll be honest, I'm liking my my starter Ipsy more than I did my plus. And I feel like, I do feel bad. I mean, it's crazy, but what I was expecting. But we'll play with it. We'll see how it goes. I mean, that doesn't mean anything. I can get into it and I'll be like, ooh la la, I love you, love you, love you. But I really got hyped up with that basic bag, and then the plus one just kind of brought me down a little. So it is what it is. It's time to play with it. It's time to have fun with them. It's time to enjoy them. I will enjoy them. If it's something I don't think I'm going to use and I haven't touched it or tested it, if you know me, what are you doing? If you know me, I will put it in a giveaway or send it to a friend. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I hope everybody else enjoyed their Ipsies. If not, go definitely check out the stuff. Like I said, with the sample ones, I haven't been disappointed lately. With the sample ones, they've really kind of stepped it up. I do, like I said, I'm a big skincare person, so I am excited with the skincare. But that's me. I know some people are like not big on the skincare. So everybody's different, and that's the great thing about it. Be a bell, you hungry cat. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please thumbs up, comment below. I love to hear from everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. And I hope, like I said, I hope everybody got what they wanted in their Ipsy bags.